So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to draw inside of a document here on Microsoft Word. So the first thing you have to do is open up a Microsoft Word document. Once that is done, I want you to go to the top left here to where it says draw. So for me, it's located between insert and design. Press on draw right here. Now, by default, you can just press on draw right here and you can select any one of these pens if you want. So we do have the basic, pen right here. We have a pen right here. We have sort of a galaxy pen. We have a gray pencil and a highlighter. So if you just wanted to do a basic pen right here, you can go ahead and press the little arrow right here to get a drop down. You can change the thickness or the thinness if you want. You can change the colors. You can add more colors. You can add effects, whatever the case may be. Before this demonstration, how about I stick with the light green color right here? I'm just going to go ahead and draw. So I will just draw my attempt of a circle. I'll go ahead here and draw maybe a triangle. I'll go ahead and draw like a square. I'll go ahead and draw like a big rectangle, whatever the case may be. You can get as creative as you want. This is your drawing after all. So once that is done, you can press on the draw icon right here. You can then move them around, whatever the case may be. It is completely up to you. So super straightforward, super simple. This is how to draw inside of a document here on Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.